Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trade. I wanted to show you a couple different trade ideas, setups. Now this is on NVIDIA, NVDA. So let's take a look here. You're seeing, let me pull up a weekly, 1 second. So this is a long trade setup, so on NVIDIA. So basically, this trade started setting up here. You can see a rounded bottom here. And then you can see our momentum indicator, cycle 1 and 2, started going above 0. So the momentum started to pick up. Now, there's good resistance in here at this 21 EMA. So we did a setup that is for a slow kind of grind move up. So we did a butterfly, bounce butterfly, $4 wide, which I'll show you. But this has potential now. If it can hold over this 21, then the next target's 105, and then the target next is 108. So this one without a volatility squeeze will be kind of probably a slow moving kind of grinding potential move to the upside. And you know, for trading, you need to have some kind of a formula. I use a trading formula or process, which is what I call a 7-step formula. So first off, step 1 is to identify a setup that you like, and then step 2 is to do your Fibonacci analysis, which we did, and then look for the correct trade strategy as far as the what kind of option strategy you want to use, and then what option series. So there's a lot that goes into a trade before you even put it on. But this one has potential to the upside, and we did a butterfly on this. So set up a $4 wide butterfly. So did the March 24 series, the 101, 105, and then the 105, 109. So it's basically $4 between the various legs. Now set this up at 85-cent debit, and currently it's at about $1.19. So it's up a little bit, $34, but this has what we call a big wide profit zone, and if it gets to 105, this can start making some good money. So that was one trade setup. But again, this was set up using my process and then identifying what kind of strategy to use within that process. And so we selected this kind of lower risk, wide-bodied butterfly. Now, one more I wanted to point out, and a different type of trade setup. This is on Netflix, and this is what we call a volatility squeeze. So potential for a big move to the upside. So it's got a volatility squeeze going on here for the daily time frame, and let me move that. So you can see here on the daily time frame a volatility squeeze, and what this potentially gives you is a really high momentum type trade setup. So different from the NVIDIA trade, and looking for a more explosive trade to the upside. So a lot of different things to do here, but again, it's a process. First step is to identify the trade setup. Second step is to look at your Fibonacci analysis and then go from there. So, I hope this helps. I'll talk to you on my next video update.